Okay, in this video, I'm going to attempt to change a part on my car. The windshield washer nozzle broke and it's not shooting any washer fluid onto the windshield, which is a real problem in the winter in Colorado. So I bought these little guys, the little nozzle that I need to replace, and for a whopping $16.35, I'm going to try to change the part myself instead of paying somebody to do it. So I'm not a car person. I haven't fixed anything on any car probably ever, but I'm going to try to do this myself, see if it saves a little money, and in the meantime maybe teach you a thing or two on how to do it so you too could save some money. So let's give this a shot. My car is a 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and so you do have to buy the part specific to your car. So got the part, got the car, shooting in my garage because it's cold outside, slightly warmer in here. Here's the part that's broken. Is you can see this hose came off of that nozzle, and it's because the nozzle part broke off into the hose. So the part that I'm not showing you is that earlier I took a small screwdriver, stuck it in here, and kind of dug out the pieces of plastic. They were really brittle, probably from sunlight or cold or whatever, but they were really brittle. Came out in a bunch of little pieces, but I wanted to make sure I could get those out before I went and bought this part, because if I couldn't get them out, it was all going to be useless. So what I got to do is just change this part, and hopefully what that means, I just put that piece back onto the nozzle and we're in good shape. So I'm going to get started with trying to get that piece to pop out. I have no idea how to do that. I'm going to start with a pair of pliers, see if I can get it out. Well, we'll see. Okay, that was much easier than expected. That took all of 10 seconds. That's the piece I had to pop out. My new piece actually came in a package of 2, so if another one breaks, I ought to be in decent shape. Okay, got to put this in and see what happens. Okay, it's in. That was a little easy little elbow grease to push it through the slot on the other side of the hood. Seemed to be no problem. I'll show you what that looks like, because then you can see the difference between the broken one and the one I replaced. Okay, you can see that I just popped it through there, and it comes out here. Oh, I see the problem. So the little cover right there creates a small problem. All right, so I got to fix that. But that's the part that was broken off. This little bitty piece sticking up there is the part that was broken off inside of here. I need a stool. All right, so I got the nozzle out from the other side of that black cover right there. That was the problem, the nozzle was stuck behind it. But I got it out from underneath there. Now to attach the hose, if it all looks good, I'll test it, and let's hope it works. Nozzle's attached. Close the hood, and see if it works. I don't know if you could see the test when I did it, but it worked like a charm. That took maybe 10 minutes. So I'm curious how much I saved if I were to take that to dealership or car place to have them repair that one part. I'd say I probably saved 25 to 30 bucks, but who knows? All right, that's how you change the nozzle on a 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and now we can wash our windshields again.